always get asked, what's the best Singer heavy duty model? And here she is, the 4423 series with the needle threader. Locate the white tab on the left side of your machine, and that is going to be your needle threader. Pull that tab down and you'll see a little hook attached to go through the eye of the needle. Next, you're going to loop the thread right over the first metal hook here, and then make sure to hold with a firm grip and loop onto this tiny metal hook right here. That tab away from the needle, and a little loop will be sticking out the back of your needle. Pull that slowly to ensure you are pulling the correct side, and then bam, you have